81 new deaths from COVID-19 here in Illinois as the total number of cases in the state surpasses 19,000. The U.S. is now reporting more coronavirus deaths than any other country. The death toll stands at 18,860, which is higher than the death toll in Italy. Several of the nation's governors are calling on the federal government to provide an additional $500 billion in aid to the states. The most recent federal package includes money for coronavirus-related costs, but doesn't fully make up for additional tax revenue lost because of business closures. Governor J.B. Pritzker also addressed rising concerns about mental health during this pandemic. CBS 2's Jeremy Ross is live outside the Thompson Center tonight. Jeremy?
Well, Jim, the governor covering a lot of ground earlier today, from mental health to what needs to happen for his stay-at-home order to finally be lifted. Didn't talk about a timetable per se, but here are some of the elements involved, and that is the 3 T's: testing, tracing, and treatment. Now, testing, massive test to determine who has COVID-19. Health officials saying that could mean millions of tests in Illinois. The governor also wants antibody tests, and that could determine who may have had the virus, perhaps not knowing or having mild symptoms, and therefore who could have immunity. Now, tracing or contact tracing, that's identifying people that may have come into contact with an infected person, tracking them down and treating them if necessary. And finally, treatment, drugs to minimize the health dangers, and/or finally a vaccine. Also of note, the state establishing a free emotional support text line. You could text TALK, or in Spanish hablar, to 552020. That'll start the process of getting counseling. The state also setting up a remote program, a telehealth initiative, to help those with the virus who are recovering at home. The governor saying that is the majority of cases here. And using your phone or tablet, you can contact a healthcare worker to get help with questions and recovery. And as the number of cases increases, the governor sees the uptick as less severe.
And what we're seeing is a flattening of that curve. Same thing, you're talking about when you talk about cases and the death toll. These numbers will bounce around each day, and you've seen, we've had higher numbers than we had today. In previous days, we've had lower numbers. But if you look at a kind of a moving average of days, you can see that the rate of ascent has significantly diminished.
Also part of that telehealth program would be distributing health kits, including thermometers and sanitary wipes. And of course, the hope is that those recovery numbers will continue to increase. Live outside the Thompson Center, Jeremy Ross, CBS 2 News.